Can you jump again? Jake, can you jump? No, I'm not giving you the phone. I bet it finds a secret place. Hey Jake, can you jump? Can you jump? Can you jump? No, good, Jake. Can you jump again? Good, Jake. Good. You're doing so good at jumping, huh? Yeah, now you got a real close-up shot. Good. Say, Dad, I'm jumping now. Can you jump? Can you jump? Ready, jump. Jump. Good. Good. Oh, you kill me, son. Not yet. Not yet. Good. You're jumping full. You're like a frog.
Is 8:23 already?
Yep, almost Jakey's bedtime. Jump, jump, jump. Jump. Good, Jake. You're awesome.